You don't have to pay for AI courses. In fact, there's a lot of free information, free courses out there that provide certificates. And today I'm going to show you 12 different AI courses, some free, some that does cost money, but most of them give you a certificate at the end, which you can put on your resume, your LinkedIn, or any job that you're applying for. But if you're just trying to level up your AI skills, this is also a great place to get started, especially if you're a beginner or if you're someone more advanced looking to refine a specific skill set. So with that in mind, let's jump right into 12 different courses that you can get right now. All right, so the first one, this one was just released at the time of this video. It is Anthropic courses. Now, if you haven't paid attention to the news right now, Claude is now the new king of AI, more specifically because of Claude Code. But Anthropic has a lot of different courses besides Claude Code in action. Claude 101, learn how to use Claude Code for everyday work tasks, not just using Claude Code. Understand its core features and resources for more advanced learning on other topics. Also, AI fluency, the frameworks and the foundations on how to make AI systems effectively, efficiently, and ethically. Anthropic's main key thing here is to make AI safeguards so that way there is no fear of using these tools. You can also build with Claude API. So this is if you're building on other systems. Other systems can pull from Claude. Introduction to Model Context Protocol, fluency for educators. If you are someone who actually educates other people, educational leaders, designers, or if you're trying to get your team to learn AI, this is a great one to start with. They have AI fluency for students and much more. There's a ton of different courses right now. Anthropic just released all those on their website. Unfortunately, this does not come with a certificate, but all of these courses at this time are free. And I'm sure down the road they will start to add and implement more certificates down the road. But for the moment in time, this is the one that does not include a certificate. Second on the list is IBM AI for Everyone, Master the Basics. This one is not free. This one does cost $99. If you pass, you will gain a certificate. Now, if you scroll down just a little bit right here, you'll see these are school certified, earn a certificate through IBM. This is proven a career path. So learners report more career opportunities with a certificate and industry recognized. So this is not just some certificate that this website put together. IBM is a pretty large organization and is known worldwide. Now, what you're actually going to learn is understand what AI is, its applications and use cases, and how it's transforming lives. You can explain terms, machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks, describe several issues and ethical concerns surrounding AI, and also you'll be able to articulate advice from experts about learning and starting a career in AI. So if you're not quite understanding the lingo, this one will kind of get you rolling on that one. I will say this one is not as beginner friendly as some of the other ones that I will walk you through here in just a bit. Let's actually look at the curriculum. So this one is a 4-week program. It takes about 1 to 2 hours per week, so plenty of time to go through this. Let's see what it actually goes through. Introduction of applications in AI, the AI concepts, terminology, and application domains. Module 3 is business and career transformation through AI, talking about AI agents, generative AI for business. So I can use generative AI, whether that be through marketing, training protocols, or even just doing presentations for leadership or people at a lower level. And moving on, you have module 4, which is issues, concerns, and ethical considerations. And of course, a wrap up to kind of go through everything you've learned here. Next is another IBM one. This is Power Up Your AI Skills for free. The great news is this one is free and it does include a certificate. However, this one is a little bit more technical advanced. You can start learning right here for free. But if you kind of look at what's included, you have a few different options here. You have Build Your Knowledge. So this is for beginners. These courses include fundamental AI concepts and frameworks. You have several modules here. How to apply AI to real world scenarios. Hands-on courses designed to teach practical AI applications and industry-specific use cases. Industry-specific use cases is what you should be focusing on if you're building or working in the AI industry. A lot of people just kind of see what they can build and then branch it out from there. But if you focus on an industry specifically and how to solve a problem using AI, that's where you're going to get some way better applications here. And then, of course, the last part is take it to the next level. Advanced courses to deepen your expertise and prepare for career opportunities. Machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing and computer vision, and your future in AI, the job landscape, what that's going to look like down the road, and how how you can use AI to be an asset, not a crux. A lot of people fear that AI is going to take their jobs. This is actually going to show you how you can use AI to enhance your career. Next is Elements of AI. This one is a free course. It does come with a certificate, and right now they currently just show two. So you have part 1 and part 2. So Introduction to AI. An Introduction to AI is a free online course for everyone interested in learning what AI is, what's possible, what's not possible, and how it affects our lives. No complicated math or programming required. However, in part 2, actually building AI, this is where you will actually start to do some live use case and building, and it is recommended that you know a little bit of Python, and programming skills are recommended to get the most out of this course. Not required, but if you don't understand Python or how to use the basics, it will be a little bit more challenging. Fifth is Robert H. Smith School of Business. Now they are offering a free online certificate in artificial intelligence and career empowerment. Now this is a free online certificate that is aimed at working professionals transitioning to new jobs and career opportunities in private sector or in AI related opportunities with a business focus. You can enroll right here, but if we scroll down, it'll actually walk you through what is inside. So there is 2 parts to this one: artificial intelligence in business and career empowerment. And they'll give you a breakdown of each module. So AI literacy and capabilities, each broken down. What is AI? Why are businesses excited about it? The basic stuff: marketing revolution, modern marketing, what it looks like today, marketing examples and lessons, using versus building AI solutions and marketing. You also have AI organizations, how it's impacting the active recruiting and managing talent. Module 4, AI and supply chain, and responsible with AI and financial services. So this is its use case in the financial sector, or generative AI and wealth management, where opportunities are today within the broader umbrella of financial services, using AI versus building AI solutions. And part 2, career empowerment, being your own startup. This is transitioning into independent consulting. So this is taking things to the next level. If you're trying to build your own brand or explore entrepreneurial opportunities, this is what module 7 is all about. Negotiating from a position of weakness. So this one is some real stuff right here. The importance of learning and how to negotiate. That's a skill most people need to have. Communication is a skill that a lot of people lack. Not necessarily the skill that they have for the job, but just being able to communicate and negotiate is a huge win. So the fact that they put this in here is huge. Module 9, job search in the age of AI. So nuances of job searches and career strategies in the modern era. What to do when machines are processing your resume. So how you can kind of make your resume look better when it's being scanned through AI. A lot of people aren't actually looking at your resume anymore. It's all being done by AI. And the final course wrap up, road ahead, what to do from here moving forward. Yeah, R.H. Smith. This one is completely free, and you do get a certificate at the end that you can add to your resume or that you can add to your LinkedIn profile. Number 6, HP Life, AI for Business Professionals. Now, this is the shortest course on here. It is self-paced. It takes about 60 minutes, give or take. It's completely free. You also get a certificate at the end. And basically, this is all about how can I identify and adopt the right AI tools to support my work and address daily challenges. In this course, you're going to learn about the role in modern business and discover why it is critical for professional development and organizational growth. Not knowing how to use the internet nowadays is a huge problem, but pretty much everybody knows how to do that. But AI is the new era of technology, and if you don't know how to use it properly, it is going to be a pain point for not only yourself, but for businesses looking to hire, if that is your goal here. Explore the differences between standalone AI tools and integrated AI features. Find out how to craft effective prompts. So a lot of people are using ChatGPT and Canva to just do basic prompts. This one will kind of round out how AI needs to be spoken to. This isn't like a simple Google search. This is being more specific on what you're looking for and what you're looking for the outcome to be. Not asking it for broad general things, but being very specific and very articulate in what you're looking for. HP Life, this is a quick and easy one. 60 minutes and you will have a certificate in no time. Already 112,000 people have enrolled and gone through the HP Life AI for Business Professionals. Number 7 is Deep Learning AI for Everyone. This one, very non-technical. It's going to walk you through the fundamentals of AI. Now, understand this is an older course, so it is a lot less hands-on. It does cost a fee. Right now, I believe it is $49 for this course, but it does come with a certificate. Now, it is a 6-hour course by Andrew NG. He's very good at what he does, and he explains things very well. So if you're nervous about AI and not understanding the lingo, this is a great starting point. Skills that you can gain here. Workflow of machine learning projects. A lot of different terminology out out there for the AI space. AI strategies, what you can do with AI and kind of get your gears turning on what is possible, what's not possible, and then workflow of data science projects. AI is not only for engineers, it's for everyone. That's why this is a non-technical course that'll help you understand AI technologies, spot opportunities to apply AI to problems in your own organizations and in your daily life. The course syllabus is right here. So AI for everyone. Week 1, what is AI? Just kind of an introduction. Week 2 is actually building AI projects. So this is where you're actually going to get out there and start typing away, building some machine learning projects, doing some workflows, and how to choose which AI project to actually work on, or working with other team members to use AI. Week 3, AI in your company. So case studies, smart speakers, self-driving cars, examples of roles of AI in a team, transformation playbooks, pitfalls to avoid, basically things that you should do and things that you shouldn't do. And of course, week 4, AI in society, a realistic view of AI, discrimination bias, adversarial attacks, adverse use, etc. Right? So like I said, this one is very beginner friendly, $49, and you do get a certificate at the end. Now keep in mind, this is an older course, so if you're looking to do some of the newer stuff with maybe Notebook LM, Claude Code, Gemini, all the newer stuff that's been coming out recently, this one is not going to be walking you through any of that. This is more the foundation and the fundamentals of AI. Number 8 is Google Generative AI Leader. This one is aimed at business leaders who have no hands-on, no technical experience, but kind of walk you through a visionary, professional, comprehensive knowledge of how generative AI can transform your businesses. More the vision of the end game here, or what's possible, what opportunities can actually come of using AI. Now this one is not free. This one is $99 for the exam. It takes roughly 90 minutes, but it is up to date using everything in the Google suite, whether that's Gemini, Notebook LM, or the Google AI Studio, essentially. And if we scroll down, you can see, like I said, 90 minutes is right here. The exam guide's right there. Here's where you can actually prepare for the exam. So step 1, understand what's on the exam. So there's an exam guide that will give you a PDF document of everything that is listed here. But when you're actually ready to get started, before you take that exam, you want to make sure that you're following the path. So click on this link right here, Generative AI Leader Learning Path. And this is where you're actually going to get the course. Gen AI Beyond the Chatbot, Gen AI Unlock Foundational Concepts, Navigate the Landscape, Transform Your Work, Transform Your Organization. So these are all roughly an hour. Some of them are 2 hours. Yeah, this course right here will walk you through everything in the Google suite of their tools. The last 4 on this list are all inside of LinkedIn Professional. So you do need to have a premium LinkedIn account to access these, but as long as you have a LinkedIn Professional or LinkedIn Premium account, you will have access to all these courses completely for free. If you don't currently have a premium account, but you are employed, reach out to your employer, your boss, your supervisor, and mention that you are interested in adding these careers and that it would benefit the business. Make sure you explain how and why, and they would be more than happy to pay for premium in most cases to further advance your career. Let's take a look at these. So the first one is Career Essentials and Generative AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn. This is about a 4.5-hour course. It is beginner friendly, and this was updated in December, so still fairly new and update enough to get you what you need. At the end of this course, you will get a professional certificate through Microsoft. All of the LinkedIn premium courses here that I'm going to mention will give you a professional certificate through Microsoft at the end that you can attach to your profile. Inside this one, you're going to learn the core concepts and functionalities of generative AI, identify the benefits of using Copilot for workflow automation, evaluate the ethical implications of deploying generative AI, and be able to apply search strategies using reasoning engines effectively. Here's kind of a brief overview of what's inside the course here. So like I said, 4 hours of work. What is generative AI? Your top AI questions, learning Microsoft 365 Copilot for work, ethics in the age generative AI, everyday concepts, and at the very end, you get to take an exam, and that is where you can get your professional certificate. Pretty simple and straightforward. Next is Human Skills in the Age of AI by Microsoft and LinkedIn. This one's a little bit longer, 5 hours, 22 minutes. This one was updated back in January. Right now, there's 20,000 people currently running through this course. And this one, you're going to learn and develop an adaptability mindset to navigate AI-driven change, demonstrate stronger communication and social intelligence skills, leverage AI to support critical thinking and decision-making, and last but not least, experiment with AI to enhance creativity and innovation in your own workspace. And here is kind of a brief of the actual course itself: investing in human skills in the age of AI, building an adaptability mindset in the age of AI, amplify your communication skills with generative AI, leveraging the power of social intelligence, amplify your critical thinking, strengthen your decision-making, integrating generative AI into the creative process. And then you can take take your exam right here. The third one is more specifically for managers, but as you can see, this is AI for Managers by Microsoft and LinkedIn. 4.5 hours. Currently 61,000 people going through this one. Now, this one was last updated in April, so this one is getting a little bit older here, but it is have fundamentals that are still usable today. So this one's more about people and managing others. Apply generative AI in day-to-day management. Initiate meaningful career conversations in an AI context. Enhance your coaching impact with generative AI. And practice responsible AI in your role as a manager. And here's a quick breakdown of what it actually looks like. Become an AI-powered people manager. The Manager's Guide to Career Conversations in the Age of AI. Enhance your coaching impact with generative AI. Building a collaborative team culture. Amplify your critical thinking. And responsible AI for managers. And then take the certificate exam right at the bottom here. And the last AI course you can get through LinkedIn is the AI for Organizational Leaders by Microsoft and LinkedIn. This one is 5 hours and 8 minutes. Intermediate level with 46,000 people currently going through this. Last updated in September, so still very up to date. Inside this one, you're going to learn how to plan for AI adoption and application in your organization, integrate AI into your business strategy, adopt responsible AI practices, and build organization-wide AI aptitude. Let's take a look and see what's inside generative AI for business leaders, specifically how to keep your team on the bleeding edge of AI innovation. So that is a huge one right there. AI challenges and opportunities for leadership, integrating generative AI into business strategy, AI literacy for business leaders. Again, literacy, if you don't understand what the terminology is, it does make it kind of hard to understand what's actually going on. And finally, leading responsible AI in organizations. While I don't personally believe that certificates will actually make any difference in your resume or your LinkedIn profile when it comes to applying for careers that are looking specifically at your AI skill set. What I would do is actually build something and share your journey of what you're building with others via social media or in some format. I prefer social media. And if you haven't already built something with AI, start with the basics. You can only take so many courses and learn so many things. The best way to learn is to actually practice and do the thing. Now, if you actually want to build something AI yourself, check this out. If you actually go into my school community here, first link in the description, click on Classroom, Automate, and right here, the very first one is the biggest automation that I have been working on for months. This is the clone content automation. Essentially, it allows you to create content without actually having to be on camera. This is an AI system that allows you to create 5 videos or more if you want per day, posted automatically on every social media platform. This is the future of content creation. This is a great starting point for you to build and create something for yourself that will actually benefit your social medias and give you a real use case of what AI can actually do for you. AI is not going away anytime soon. You may as well learn the fundamentals and the basics now, building something you can use, not just randomly jumping in and trying out different tools. Build something that would actually benefit you right now. When you build something valuable, not only will people pay you money for that, but they will see you as an authority in this space.